In this video, I am going to show you how to record microphone audio in PC. If you want to record your microphone audio, you have a lot of options. You can use some third-party tools, like example, you can open your browser and type record as example audio, like app, and you'll find a lot of apps to do so. There are a lot of apps to do so as example. You can even find it online. If you want to do it online as example, you can just no download anything, just go and do it on a website. So you can go into a website and click on this, allow the microphone as example, and you'll be able to start recording your voice without any problems. You can pause and you can even stop once you finish the recording. You can always hear your voice, and if you like it, you can just go here and click on save and you'll be able to download this right away. If you don't want to use this option, you can of course use the apps that is downloaded in Windows per default, which is a voice recorder. You can just hit the Windows key and you can type record, and as you can see, you should find here the sound recorder. Just go and click on it. As you can see, if it needs any updates, just go and update it. And once it's updated, you'll be able to record your voice without any problems. So once the updates finish, as you can see, this is the interface, and from here you can start recording as example. As you can see, you'll have just to give it access and start recording your voice. You can also again pause or stop whenever you want, and here you will find your recording where you'll be able to hear it. Of course, if you want to know where to find this exactly, you can just right click on it, and here you'll find show in folder, and you'll be able to see it exactly where is it in a folder. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.